YouTube, what's going on? This is gonna be a very short and cute video today for you guys. So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you click the lowest button on that video machine and you hit the subscription button for me, because you guys subscription help out my channel and I will greatly appreciate if you guys does that for me. Thank you so much. But we're gonna be talking about Mistplay. If you don't know what Mistplay is a gaming app where you can earn units, turn a PayPal cash, and you can play different games on there. So basically, it's a money-making gaming developer app that have different gaming apps that you can play on there. I have been using Mistplay since 2020. I withdrew out my first PayPal $10 cash in 2022. That's because I wasn't consistent enough on here. But if you're very consistent on something, your results become faster, as you know. So the 3 apps I'm going to recommend is to tap color by numbers. We're going to get into all that real quickly in a minute. Also, I just started this one. It's called like a cross stitch coloring book. And then tap color pro. Okay, so you guys see these little badges and things like that. If you actually stay on here and you actually reach a certain point of the app, the more units you earn, the faster you will actually withdraw. So if I'm on here for like an hour and 20 minutes, that's probably 20 units per minute that I'm on there, right? So, those are the 3 apps that I recommend you guys use on Mistplay. Mistplay is a very good app. They just update the app. They update the app probably every month. This is the only app I would recommend you guys to actually use on Android. Any app that I recommend is all on Android, right? And also, if you want to go to your nearest CVS, Walgreens, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart, get a cheap Android phone that's real good. Probably big. All the Android phones upgrade themselves, but if you want to make some quick, cash by actually playing games, Android is the way to go, because iPhone has nothing on there that you can use that's for free that will help you make PayPal cash fast, right? So, yes, download Mistplay, download Tap Color by Pro, or the Color Stitch, and start earning some units by coloring. Coloring is a very peaceful, meditating way to go when it comes to things in life. I think coloring is the most awesome thing that was ever invented in the world. So if you're a big coloring fan, this video is for you. Other than that, I will see y'all at my next video. I love y'all. Peace, be blessed, be safe.